Before operating a crawler excavator, a thorough inspection is crucial to ensure safety and operational efficiency. Begin with a comprehensive walk around, checking for any obstacles or personnel in the machine's vicinity. Inspect the tracks for damage and examine the hydraulic system for leaks and proper fluid levels. Verify the fuel and coolant levels, ensuring they are adequate for the work period. Test the electrical system, including the battery, lights, and signals. Inside the cab, check the seat, controls, and dashboard for proper function. Test the brakes, both travel and parking, to confirm their effectiveness. Lastly, inspect the work equipment, such as the bucket and joints, for secure attachment and proper condition. After starting the engine, listen for any unusual noises and test the hydraulic and travel systems for smooth operation. Remember, always consult the machine's manual for specific instructions and prioritize safety at all times.